Does that feel like a good one?
Yeah, it feels pretty decent. Pull and drag like
3-pounder. I told you Beaver Dam would produce.
I figured if you saw them depth on it, they'll be around that point.
Yeah, really. Dang, that's pulling pretty good, ain't it? Dang, that might be a 10-pounder. This one will be in the slot, you can bet that. It'll be about 28. What do you think it is? Pretty good one?
At least 12 to 15 pounds anyway.
Really? Dang, I hear you. Ah, you love it, don't you? Dang, that's a good fish. You love it. Holy smokes! That's a good one. Yeah. All right, people, look at these Trophy Ridge taxidermy planer boards and the results! That's what I'm talking about. Woo! God, that's a good one right there. I'm gonna get pictures of that one. You'll be chunking that one back. That'll be about 34. Dang. Watch that rod tip. Can you grab it? Here, I got something for you here. Grab it with those bogus. See if you can get it out. There you go.
I'll get the net too.
Dang, boy, that's a monster there.
It's behind that bone.
Here, did you get it? Probably wrapped a line around the...
Did.
That's all right. We'll get that out. Dang, boy, that's a monster. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I gotta weigh that one. Hold it up. Dang. Nice fish.